Hello my friends, welcome to DarkWiki YouTube channel. I hope you all will be good. So friends, today I will teach you how to upgrade a laptop RAM step by step. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM is used to temporarily store information of running processes and tasks. The more RAM is available, the more processes can run simultaneously. So first question is, how much RAM do I need? It depends on what you do with your computer, like gaming or video editing, and the amount you can add is limited by the type of operating system you have. All 32-bit Windows operating systems support a maximum of 4 GB RAM. Windows 7 Home Basic 64-bit is limited to 8 GB RAM. Windows 7 Home Premium 64-bit can use a maximum of 16 GB RAM. All other 64-bit versions of Windows 7 support up to 192 GB RAM. The regular edition of Windows 8 64-bit is limited to 128 GB RAM, while the professional and enterprise editions both support up to 512 GB RAM. Second, how to know what type of RAM do I need, like type of RAM. For example, DDR, DDR2, DDR3 or DDR4. Amount of MHZ supported by your laptop. Physical size. SODIMM for laptops. Finally, how to check the type of RAM in laptop, and how to buy online a RAM for laptop or computer. Just follow me friends. All tools and website link in the video description. and don't forget subscribe. Bye bye, see you in the next video.